Good morning, Webster Stanley Middle School. Today is Tuesday, January 5th, and for 6th graders, we will be following our A-Day schedules today. Again, last week of live lessons. Live lessons today are even hours. Second hour is at 10 a.m., fourth hour is at 12:30 p.m., and sixth hour is at 1:30 p.m. Just a reminder, we are back to school next week, okay? And that's the last week of our first semester. So not sure why we didn't start second semester, but I don't make those decisions. So anyways, next week, Monday, we're going to have our B-Day students, okay? I can't go over this enough because I can't believe some people don't even know we're coming back to school. Can you believe that? Okay, so anyway, B-Day students, you're going to be here, every Monday and Thursday, and A-Day students, you're going to be here every Tuesday and Thursday. I have my mirror thing on, so I can't figure out where things are. And then the other days you'll be virtual. Just a reminder, someone wanted me to remind you that the bell rings in the morning, in case you forgot, at 8:11 a.m., and the dismissal bell rings at 3:37, okay? So 8:11 in the building, 3:37 after school. So this is a message from our nursing department, okay? It's important that because we're coming back to school now more than ever, that if you are currently under quarantine or isolation, that you call us, and so we can monitor your health, okay? I'm going to send out the link to our daily health screen in case you forgot where that was. But before you come to school every day, you should be asking yourself these questions. Do you have a fever of 100.4 or higher, or chills, hot flashes? Well, if you're old, but you're not old. Cough, shortness of breath, difficulty breathing, new loss of taste or smell, vomiting, diarrhea, fatigue, headache, muscle pain or body ache, sore throat, congestion or runny nose, nausea, any of those symptoms, okay? That's a symptom checker. You should not be coming to school. You should call us. And I know that it seems very invasive, but it's part of the nursing department's job to help Winnebago County contact trace. So they're only doing their job, and they're only doing it to keep you safe and everyone else safe. So please understand that, okay? Don't send your child to school, or just kids, don't come to school if you're waiting for COVID test results, okay? If you have symptoms. You can get a COVID test without having symptoms, just to make sure you're not an asymptomatic spreader. But if you're getting one with symptoms, you cannot come to school if you're waiting for COVID test results, or if you've had a positive test, or you've been exposed to someone who's positive, or you're living with someone who's positive, etc., etc. Okay, so make sure you go through all of that, okay? I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, but I will send you the link, okay? That's just a reminder. 8th grade students, yesterday I sent you, it came from me, it came about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon from Oshkosh North High School. It was your virtual open house. You can watch that at your own leisure, and then be prepared. Make sure that you watch it, because when on January 6th, which is tomorrow, there's going to be a virtual Q&A session, and that was on that link, okay? So that's where you're going to log in, and that's going to be from 6 to 7 p.m. Then when you come back to school, the counselors from Oshkosh North High School are going to be here to kind of go over some things with you, and then scheduling will take place the 14th and 15th of January with the help of Mrs. Wiege and the North counselors, because it can be rather confusing, okay? And you want to make sure you're getting off on the right foot. Okay, so match the pet to the staff contest. Look at this cute little guy. Oh, okay. The clue is I have lots of fun farm animals to pick from, but my favorite pet is my dog, Cricket. I teach 7th grade, and I'm going to have a baby in March. Who am I? Okay, and so the choices this week are Mrs. Purath, Mrs. Reichenberger, Miss Cummins, Mr. Marshall, well, let's hope it's not him, and Mrs. Steinert. So those are the choices. Again, send in all your answers after announcements on Friday. This Friday, we will be having a fun Friday. It's probably our last one. The dress-up theme is bringing the new year with sparkle. Let's put on our shiniest, blingiest items and start 2021 off right. Okay. Let's see. I've already got that. Oh, I wanted to tell you guys, we did schedule picture retakes, okay? So those of you that did not get your picture taken, or you got your picture taken and you ordered pictures and you don't like them, we are going to have retake days on Thursday, January 21st for the B group and Friday, January 22nd for the A group, okay? And so there'll be more info coming out on that, but I just wanted to give you a heads up in case you want to look at what you want to wear and practice your hair and all that stuff. Okay, let's rise for the Pledge of Allegiance, and I actually have my little flag here today. All right. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a great day.